Hey there, this is me Saurabh Bhatnagar, and this is a redo of a webinar which we did last week. And what happened really was I was not able to take the recording of that particular webinar, so I somehow missed to take the recording of that webinar. So that is the reason why I am doing the redo of this particular the session. So that session was divided into four parts actually. So we had a lot of things, but the two major parts were Instagram lead ads, a training about Instagram lead ads, and also a training about Instagram shoutouts. So because we did not make the recording, we do not do the recording, so we will convert it into two videos. One of them is this. So in this particular video I will cover the lead ads part, and also Gaurav will take care of the other part, which is the Instagram shoutout part. So you will have another video for Instagram shoutouts. Alright, so what we have over here is that Instagram lead ads are something which are very unique, and they are something which are the latest trend. In fact, these are the latest form of advertisement which have been now available, which are now available on Instagram. They became available on Facebook a year ago, and suddenly when they came available, a lot of tools, a lot of softwares, and I mean a lot of hype was generated around lead ads. And the reason why they are unique, so this is something which I am going to show you in around 5 minutes from now. I mean with the complete step-by-step training, that how you will create them and why they are unique. Alright, so you will get to know about that. And so as I said that they are very unique form of advertisement. So they run like normal advertisement on Facebook, but yes, they are unique. And the objective is simple. The objective is lead generation, and these are the only form of advertisement through which you are able to generate leads directly from Facebook. You don't have to go anywhere else. So for example, what earlier you had to do was you had to make your customers click on your advertisement, right? Then they had to visit a particular website or maybe a landing page, right? And then over there what they had to do, they had to sign up, right? And of course when they are signing up, you are not sure, I mean you are not 100% sure, you are not 100% sure until and unless it will double opt-in that the email IDs are wrong or right. But in this case, what really happens is lead ads are running on Facebook. What they really allow you to do is that they allow you to capture email IDs right after the click. So the process of going to a website or a landing page, or in fact the complete process of creating a landing page, is not required. All you have to do is just create a lead advertisement, a good lead advertisement, and direct sign up is available, and these leads are directly connected, they are directly stored in your Facebook database. So the authenticity is 100% because these are the same leads, these are the same email IDs which they use to log into their Facebook. So of course you can be 100% assured that yes, they are giving the 100% correct email IDs, and also the process is smooth, the process is simple. So it is, you have a better probability of gaining more leads from lead ads. Alright, so earlier they were only available for Facebook, but now you have it for Instagram also. So let me just show it to you how you can create lead advertisements for yourself. So once you will go to your Power Editor. So if you don't know how to go to Power Editor, just type this URL www.facebook.com/ads/manage/Power Editor. So this is how you will go to your Power Editor, and over there what you will do is you will click on create campaign. Alright, you will click on create campaign. Now you can give your campaign a name. So I will write lead ads test. I will rename the campaign. Alright, and now over here you have to select the campaign objective. So from selecting the campaign objective, what you will do is you will select the objective to be lead generation. Alright, so the campaign objective would be lead generation. Okay, I have to put the name once again. And now you can select your Facebook page. So I will keep the same Facebook page for this particular example, so the page would be dog. Alright, so I will click on create. So I will click on create. So the campaign is now created. Alright, so now I will click on it. So I will move to my ad set. So just follow step by step. You will be able to follow these steps and you will be able to create these ads comfortably. Alright, so let me just hide it so that it becomes easy for you. And now what you have to do is you have to click on edit placement. So lead ads are available on the Facebook feed, so on your mobile feed and on your desktop feed, and also now they are available on Instagram. All the other places are not available for lead ads, right? So you can go ahead and select only Instagram. So now only Instagram would be selected. Alright, and otherwise what you can do is you can go ahead and select only mobile newsfeed or maybe the desktop newsfeed. But to make you understand both the process, I will select both. So I will select the feeds as well as the Instagram. Alright, so now our page is here. We can select any budget, so this completely depends on you, so I won't touch the budget. Alright, so you can have your targeting. Again, this depends on you, so this is not really required for this particular example. You can have your bases covered with the location and custom audience and the budget and everything. You can do it yourself. The object optimization should be for the leads, so this should be for the leads. And now when we move over to the advertisement, just have a look. So first of all, it will ask you for a page through which you will run the advertisement on Instagram. So as I don't have any Instagram page for this particular niche, so I will select the selected Facebook page. So it will run by the name of the selected Facebook page. Alright, so on Instagram it will look like this as of now. So we can make the customizations now. So now what you can do is you can select any image. So as of now we have a particular image which is the cover picture of this particular page. So you can have another image over here, right? So what you can do is add with an image or video, or maybe add with multiple images. So you can have multiple images over here. Alright, so you can select multiple images or you can have just one image. So that is again your choice. Alright, so what you can do is you can click over here, you can click on change image and you can have another image if you want to change. But for this example I won't change just to save time. Now what you can do is you can have any text over here. So let's suppose hey there. Okay, so as you can see that the text is available over here. Then you can have the headline. So the headline would be sign up for free gift. Alright, so you can have the headline, and also you can see that there is no change in the Instagram ad, but it will be visible over here in the mobile newsfeed. So as I said that I will make it available so on both the platforms, as for Facebook as well as for Instagram, so that it becomes simple for you. And again, the newsfeed link description, it will be also available on Facebook. So what you can do is you can have any description over here. So it can be, let's suppose free surprise for you inside, right? So it can be anything. Okay, so this is how it will look on your desktop. So the text is over here, the headline is here, the newsfeed link description is over here. After that it will look this like this on your mobile, and it will look like this on your Instagram. So you can have more text over here. So it is of course it is like very much necessary to have more text over here so that it becomes easier for people to understand. And of course you will be using a better image over here so that people can really understand what is really happening in this particular advertisement. So this I leave up to you to have a better image, but for now what's really important is to move ahead. Now what you can do is you can create a lead form. Alright, you can create a lead form. Now I am assuming that you will be doing it for the very first time, so I won't duplicate an existing form. You can do it afterwards when you have created one, but now when you will be doing it for the first time, you will have the option to create a new lead form. So you will click on next. Alright, you will click on next, and now what you can do is, this is optional to have a welcome screen. This is optional. Alright, so let's suppose if you want to have an optional screen, so welcome screen I should say. So what you can do is, you can have a headline over here, so maybe any headline. So for this example I will go ahead with the selected headline, sign up for a free gift, right? Then you can have any uploaded image over here, you can have any image over here, then you can have any text. So this is random text. Alright, so you can have text over here, then you can have a button text, so maybe sign up here. So as you can see, the button text is customized right here, so you can have this screen, welcome screen, or maybe if you want to disable it, then you can have directly your lead form. So this is how your lead form will look like, and if you want to have the screen, the welcome screen, so this is how the welcome screen will look like. So this is a kind of you can say a kind of a landing page, not exactly the landing page, but a kind of a landing page, but it will open inside Facebook. So maybe let me just disable it just to save time. Alright, so now you will move over to the questions. Alright, you will move over to the questions. So you can ask any question, you can ask for people name, you can ask for people's email, right? And now what you can do is, you can ask for first name, last name, address, country, zip code, postcode, anything which you want to know, gender, date of birth, marital status, work, phone number. You can ask them a lot of things, and all these details are something which are already stored in Facebook by the people. So all they have to do is that they just have to click on the advertisement, and all these details will come up to you automatically. So I will show you with the help of an example how this thing will look like. Or you can also have one custom question, so you can add a custom question over here. So that custom question they will have to answer, right? So you can have any question over here, any XYZ, and they will have to answer the question. So let me just cross it, and maybe let's suppose, just for example, maybe let's suppose I will add the zip code. So as you can see, the zip code option is also added over here, right? Now one very important thing is, you have to have the privacy policy. You have to have the privacy policy. So this is how your privacy policy text should look like. Alright, so you have to enter the link text, and then you have to connect the link text to a privacy policy URL. Now I have it already on my website. So what you can do is, you can copy this URL. So this is the URL over here. This is sauragbhatnagar.com/privacy-policy. You can copy the privacy policy.
Hi, my name is Joanna.
Let me just pause it. Alright, so you can copy the privacy policy from my website. Just make sure that wherever sauragbhatnagar.com is written, you can just replace it with your website. Alright, so it should make sense. Just replace it with your website. And now I will copy the URL and paste it over here. So this is the privacy policy URL. Alright, you can have a custom disclaimer if you want. So let me just leave it, and the thank you screen will look like this, and then you can send them to a website. So maybe I would want to send them to my website. So what you can do is, once they are signed up, so the primary objective is to get their email IDs, right? So once you have the email IDs, now you can take the leverage of sending them anywhere, because now you have the email ID. So now the other things are out of question. So maybe the net speed is slow, or maybe whether they will sign up or not. So now these things are out of question. Now when they have signed up, so now you can send them to any place, right? So this is how it will look like. And now what I will do is, I will click on finish over here. Alright, I will click on finish. So now my advertisement has been created, right? My advertisement has been created, and all I have to do is, I have to click on the review changes. I have to click on the review changes. Now just wait for a minute, and I will show you the magic, and I will show you the magic trick. So I'm going to show you two things. One is the magic, and second is the magic trick, right? So let us just wait for this to load, and let me come back into the scene. So alright, so now our campaign is created. Alright, so now the campaign is created. So what I will do now is I will go to my ads manager. So let's wait for the ad manager to come up, to roll up. Alright, so this is here, the leads ads test, right? The lead ad test is over here. So now you can see the advertisement is here. It has gone for review. So what you can do is you can click on it. You can again click on it. Alright, so let me just show you how a lead advertisement looks like. And now what you can do is you can click on this eye over here. You can click on this eye over here, which shows the preview of the advertisement, right? So you can have the preview of the advertisement. So this is how the advertisement will look like on desktop. This is how it will look on your mobile. This is how on your feature phone, and this is how it will look on your Instagram. So what's really special over here is, let me just show it to you. So what you can do is where's the preview link? Okay, so over here, earlier it used to be down here, so I was little confused. In fact, till yesterday it was down here. So you have to click on this button over here, and now what you can do is view on Facebook. So you can click on view on Facebook and Facebook desktop newsfeed. So I will click on it. I will view it on the Facebook desktop newsfeed, but I want to see it with the help of the permalink. So maybe I will copy. Okay, let's see. Now this is the latest change which has happened. So maybe I will click on show in newsfeed. Okay, so the demo is coming up over here, right? So the demo is right here. Let me just click on new tab. Okay, so it won't solve the purpose. So I want to get the URL of it. I want to get the URL of it, right? Okay, so I will click on Facebook post with comments. So sorry, I missed it. So you will click on Facebook post with comments. Over here, when you will click on it, you will click on Facebook post with comments. Alright, so now I have the URL of this advertisement with me. So the URL is right here, right? So now what you can do is, now just have a look. This looks like a normal advertisement, right? But what's so special about it is that whenever somebody will see this advertisement, so earlier in the normal advertisement, what they used to do, they used to click on the sign up button, and they were redirected to a particular website. But now what will happen when they will click on this, they will have this thing coming up right here. So the email, their email is automatically populated, their full name is automatically populated, their zip code, because we asked them for their zip code, it is automatically populated. All they have to do is, all your customers, all your people have to do is that they have to click on the submit button, and yes, the lead is submitted. Now just imagine how much easier you have made people's work, right? All they have to do to sign up for the free gift which you will be running through your website, through your Facebook page, all they have to do is just click on a button and they will be enrolled for the free offer, right? And you have made this job very simple for all of them. You have made this job very simple, and this way you will be able to generate more email leads than any other competitor on internet, because you will be using these Instagram lead ads. And now you are all set to make them click on this particular view website option, and it will take them to the website. But now the email lead is already there, right? So I also wanted to share one trick with you. So now what you have to do is that you can copy this URL from here. Just imagine, just see. So just to keep focus, now right here I am at the page where I have the post URL, right? This is the post URL. So when you will click on this preview, you will go here, you will click on Facebook post with comments. So the post URL will come up. What you will do is you will select and copy this post URL, right? Because these are the kind of advertisement, these are the kind of posts which you cannot create on your Facebook page. You cannot create them on your Facebook page. But here's the trick. So what you can do is you can go to your Facebook page now. Alright, you can go to your Facebook page now. Although you can't create them automatically in your Facebook page, but what you can do is you can share them. So what I will do now is I will just paste the URL of that particular advertisement, right? Here they are. Sign up for free gift, right? And my lead ad which Facebook only allowed me to post with the help of an advertisement is now posted on my Facebook page for free, right? This is now posted on my Facebook page for absolutely free. I have to pay nothing to Facebook. And what I can do over here is I can actually go ahead and I can shut this campaign off. I can actually shut this campaign off, and this campaign is now shut. I don't have to run this campaign, and without even running this campaign, my lead advertisement is visible right here on my Facebook page. And just imagine that all the audience which is available on your Facebook page, whatever your audience is, why do you want to pay to reach out to them when you already have that audience as in your Facebook page, right? So why do you want to pay for them? So you would want to run the lead advertisement for the new people, but when you can do it for free with this particular trick, so this is good, right? So all you have to do is just copy the URL from here and paste it in your Facebook page, and then you are done, right? So this is how simply you can do it. And over here, this is how you will create. This is the free resource for you. And also I have one more thing for you, which is how to create lead ad. So this we have also compiled in the form of the ebook. So this is the ebook URL. And also what I have over here is I have a top 100 lead ad example. Alright, top 100 lead ads example. Now this is something which I got from some place. So this is something which I got from a marketer called Wilco. So he gave me this particular ebook which had the top 100 lead ads example, so which are running on Facebook. As I said, that lead ads are running on Facebook since a very long time. So now they have recently come up on Instagram. But what you can do is you can take inspiration from what best marketers on internet are doing. So as you can see, this is a lead advertisement of Brian Tracy, right? This is a lead advertisement of Breeze. This is a lead advertisement of Blue Wine. This is one more very good example of a lead advertisement. I really like this particular example. So you can take example from these lead advertisements which are running on Facebook by big marketers. So you can really take inspiration from them. You already have the URL of it. So this is the file. You can copy the URL from here. Alright, the URL to go to this doc will be available in the right hand side. So it will be also available below this video. So if you are watching this inside Innovation Excellence replay section, so the URL to reach this doc, to open this doc, will be available right below the video. Alright, and also in the right hand side where you have the resources tab. So just click on the resources tab and we will have the URL to this doc over here. Also you will have one more URL to another ebook, which would be how to generate leads from Instagram Live. Alright, so this is how you can create your lead advertisements, and this is how you can run your lead advertisements for free on Facebook, so without paying a penny to Facebook. And yes, you can pay, of course you would want to pay to reach out to the new audience, but how to reach out to the existing audience, this is how you can simply do it, right? So yeah, this is it for this particular training. And also the other part would be the shout out part, so this will be covered in the second video. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.